How to redeem the CRK Cookie Run Kingdom codes. Hey guys, and let's get started. CRK codes are your ticket to exciting rewards like tickets, crystals, and rainbow cubes. Every month, it brings a fresh batch of Cookie Run Kingdom codes to redeem and enhance your gaming experience. However, if you feel the process is tedious, here is an easy way out. First of all, load up your Cookie Run Kingdom. Select the icon at the top right screen with three horizontal lines. However, if you are in the website directly, you will see it on the left side of the screen. Now in the app, go on select settings, press on info and look under user info for player ID. Head to the Cookie Run Kingdom redeem code side and here you have to enter your Dave Play account. For this, copy the ID that you received before and then the redeem code option. Now click on claim reward and once you go back to your Cookie Run Kingdom, your freebie should be waiting for you to claim and use. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.